Top 20 best small business ideas for beginners. Starting a small business can feel a bit scary, right? But don't worry, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. With careful planning and a clear vision, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into 20 of the best small business ideas for beginners that are not only practical, but also economical. Whether you're looking to turn your passion into profit or start something entirely new, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Number one, yoga center. Health and fitness are more important than ever. By starting a yoga center, you can help people stay healthy and fit while building a steady client base. Number two, catering business. Love cooking? Turn it into a business. Provide food services for special functions, parties, and events. A well-organized catering service can lead to great profits. Number three, travel agency. People are always traveling. Be the go-to expert who helps them plan their dream vacations or business trips. Travel is a booming industry, and it's not slowing down. Number four, fast food shop. Quality food always attracts people. Focus on offering fresh, delicious meals, and you'll be surprised at how fast your business grows. Number five, chocolate cafe. We all love chocolate, right? Open a cozy cafe that focuses on unique chocolate creations and watch as chocolate lovers flock to your business. Number six, fitness programs. Whether it's Zumba, personal training, or online fitness courses, this is a rewarding business idea that promotes health and happiness. Number seven, one-product restaurants. Specializing in one type of food, like burgers, pizza, or even pancakes, can attract a dedicated audience. The simpler the menu, the easier it is to scale. Number eight, hosted security provider. In today's digital world, businesses need to stay safe online. Offer website protection from hackers, viruses, and malware, and get paid for it. Number nine, data backup services. Help businesses or individuals protect their important data by offering secure backup solutions. It's a service that everyone needs. Number 10, surveillance cameras. Security is a top priority these days. Selling and installing cameras for homes and businesses is a profitable venture. Number 11, massage business. Help people unwind and de-stress by offering massage services. Create a calming environment, and you'll have clients coming back for more. Number 12, home improvement services. Are you handy with tools? Start a handyman business to help people with small repairs and renovations around the house. Number 13, children's educational programs. Whether it's tutoring, coding classes, or art lessons, parents are always looking for ways to enhance their kids' learning. Number 14, software development. If you're tech savvy, create apps or software that solve real-world problems. The digital space is constantly expanding. Number 15, consulting services. Use your expertise to help others. Whether it's business, marketing, or finance, consulting is a high-value service. Number 16, car and machinery, spare parts. This evergreen business caters to a consistent demand, especially in industrial areas or cities. Number 17, professional car wash. People love clean cars, but don't always have the time to wash them. Start a car washing service in busy areas for great returns. Number 18, internet service provider. In today's digital world, reliable and affordable internet is essential. If you can provide fast connections, this can be a highly lucrative business. Number 19, furniture business. Partner with a skilled carpenter to create custom furniture that meets the needs of modern buyers. Number 20, pure water production. Clean drinking water is always in demand. Start a small-scale production for sachets, bottles, or dispensers. And there you have it, 20 small business ideas that are perfect for beginners. Remember, the key to success is starting small, minimizing expenses, and focusing on profitability. The internet is a goldmine of resources to guide you further. So explore government websites, business blogs, and YouTube channels like ours for inspiration. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite small business idea from this list? Or do you have a unique idea of your own? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Money Mount, and turn on notifications for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching, and here's to your entrepreneurial success. See you in the next video.